Hey, it's Chef K. Too damn hot outside. We're not going to cook on the grill. We're going to do hot dogs in the house. Flyover hot dogs. Chili dogs. No beans. We're close enough to Texas. No bean chili on the dogs. We got some Chow Chow. Let me show you. Let me turn this thing around. Alright. We got the beef. The bun-sized beef. We got the sweet Hawaiian buns. So I cut up some red. We got some fine chopped red. Got some Chow Chow. Oh yeah, baby. Yellow mustard, ketchup, cheese, shredded cheese. Better put that up here, the dog's gonna get a hold of that. No bean chili is in the microwave over there. And we are gonna load up some wieners. Alright, we're ready. Stick with me now. This is gonna go fast. You don't wanna blink, you'll miss it. Mustard. Got mustard first. Oh yeah. We'll go down with some ketchup. Oh, we're getting that? Yeah, we're getting it. Now some dogs. A couple of dogs. Push them in there. Right. I'm gonna go in with this Chow Chow now. Look at that. Oh man. That's going to eat real good. There we go. It's a little bit spicy. It's made out of cabbage, peppers, pickles, and everything you like. Alright. Now, we got to get some chili on that. We got it right here. Going in with the chili. These are going to be messy. You're going to need a napkin. You're going to need a pile of napkins. Got to get that onion right on the chili. Just like that. These are flyover chili dogs. A little bit of cheese. Chef K likes cheese. Not a lot of cheese. Now, oh baby, let me shake the camera a little bit. Alright, how about that? There you go. A couple of chili dogs. That'll work. See you next time. Hit that subscribe button if you would.